Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to be uninstalling the Wezil 1 and installing the Wezil 2. The Wezil 1 currently is more advanced, like it has all these switches, buttons and that, but those are eventually going to be on the Wezil 2. It's just like, this is all just way too exposed, like you can just see everything. So I'm going to switch it out with the Wezil 2. The Wezil 2 will eventually have like a proper cover on it, just not yet. So let's start with the uninstallation by first turning off the breaker. Okay, so the breaker is not that one. The breaker is that black one at the very top. Okay, now that the breaker's off, I can start the uninstallation. I bet a few guys are saying, how do you know if that was the fire alarm panel breaker, but I kind of installed the breaker, so I know if it's the fire alarm panel breaker. Okay, so let me start with the uninstallation after I just get my phone out. Okay, so this will probably be a two-part video, but the first part will probably just be me uninstalling all this. So now I'm gonna first do the bell circuits. I'm gonna do all the circuits first. Oh, background just... Okay, so there's that one. I guess I have to uninstall one of the zones as well. Okay, so these two here should be the fire alarm circuit, well, the bell circuits. So I'll tie these two together, and the rest I'll just start taking off. Almost done. Okay, now to detach the grounds. And now the annunciator. Red, black, yellow. Where does yellow go again? Right there. The green goes to ground fault. And I have to take this off. And this one I have to detach from here. That should be all of these wires. No, one more. There we go, there's the annunciator's wires off. Okay, now I can start by unscrewing this. Wait, I'm gonna get the bottom ones. Let's just put that there for now. This screw will be a pain. Gonna need to unscrew that plate there. Okay, so now that back plate there should, not back plate, this plate here should move. Okay, just 2 more screws. There we go, just 1 more screw. Let me get this out of here first. Okay, so now it's down off the wall. And this is the Wezil 1 off the wall. It's not actually as big, as, like, full as you think it is, but, like, it's kind of not really a good design because, like, the power supply is out in the open. The wires for the amp meter are just out in the open. Most of it's in here. But you do have a high voltage thing right here for that's running 120 to 12 volts with some pretty dangerous capacitors in there. But this is the Wezil 1 on the inside. The 4 relays, 1, 2, 3, 4, power off relay, like the temporal relay, and the alarm relays, like those click on and stay on for the alarm. The Wezil 2 will have all this, but not right now. Well guys, I guess I'm going to see you in the next video, which will be part 2 of installing the Wezil 2, not 1. I'm not sure what I'll do with the Wezil 1. It'll probably be a demo board. Might even get into working a shorter and send it to a few YouTubers, who knows.